Mistplay can occasionally become unavailable because of server issues, maintenance, or temporary connection problems, and not every outage is caused by your phone. By the end of this video, you'll know how to tell whether Mistplay is down, what you can do while you wait, and when it's time to contact support. The first thing to check is whether the problem affects only your device. Close Mistplay completely, reopen it, and see if the issue continues. If the app still won't load, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out a network problem. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the app from loading your account or syncing gameplay. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Mistplay from the Google Play Store. Updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements. Running an outdated version can sometimes create connection problems that have already been resolved in a newer release. If the app still isn't working, check whether other users are reporting the same issue. Recent discussions on community forums or social platforms can quickly show whether the problem is widespread. If many users are experiencing the same error at the same time, the issue is more likely related to Mistplay's service than your device. Avoid uninstalling the app immediately. If you're in the middle of completing an eligible game offer, removing and reinstalling the app could interfere with gameplay tracking. It's usually better to wait until you've confirmed the problem isn't a temporary outage before making major changes to your device. If Mistplay opens but your rewards or gameplay progress aren't updating, give the app time to synchronize. Temporary server interruptions can delay progress updates even after the service is restored. Restarting the app after some time is often enough for your account to refresh. When the problem lasts longer than expected, contact Mistplay support through the official support channel. Include details such as your device model, Android version, app version, screenshots of any error messages, and a description of what happens when you open the app. Providing complete information from the beginning helps the support team investigate your issue more efficiently. The best approach during downtime is to stay patient and avoid making unnecessary changes to your account. Most temporary service interruptions are resolved without requiring any action from users. The key points are simple. Check your internet connection, update the app, see whether other users are experiencing the same issue, and contact support if the problem continues. Those steps help you determine whether the issue is on your device or on Mistplay's side. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting tips, app guides, and reviews.